This 10-minute pulled chicken hack is going to change the way you cook forever. Okay, this is so versatile. Just get a hot pan, high heat, greased, lay your chicken breast in there. There's some really nice color on this one side. So just leave it there for about 5 minutes. High heat. After 5 minutes, you should have some color. And you're able to flip it. This is where the magic happens. Both my sides are seared and nice and brown. Now I add in 1 cup of boiling water or stock. And I cover it. It's gonna take about 7 minutes, and these are gonna be so tender. Got my chicken breast here, it's been cooking in the pan. All I need to do is take 2 forks, and I'm just gonna shred it in this bowl here. Wonderful, tender, shredded chicken that I just seasoned with a little bit of salt. And I'll just add some of the juices from the pan into there as well. You'll need 1 carrot, thinly sliced. Thinly slice half a green cabbage and half a red cabbage. I'll mix these all together in my bowl and top it with my dressing, which is simple. I'll get a jar, and I'll add in 3 tablespoons of each peanut butter, rice vinegar, and hot water, just to melt the peanut butter. I'll add in the juice of 1 lime, and some grated ginger, about 1 tablespoon. After that, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, give it a really good shake, and I'll top it onto my salad. The pulled chicken I just set aside, and that can be used for just about anything. But here's the finished product. You've got your shredded chicken on top of your peanut slaw, and I topped it with a little green onion. Super fresh, super easy, done in a jiffy.